Sure.
Y'all already know, man, it's 5K. We the first crew to ever do this. Y'all know how these two got a little beef going on. So what we finna do is, before this big battle, they finna play a game called Crump Horse.
Start it off.
Nah, that's you.
Start it off, big dog.
Alright.
Ooh. Watching. Watch the man.
Hell nah.
Okay, that's the H for Baby Rip Prophecy.
Go ahead, baby Rick.
You see how he's matching him?
Get it over, bro. That wasn't your mindset.
Deal.
That wasn't your mindset, bro. Do it over.
No, I'm good.
Come on, I ain't
Go ahead,
see it.
Baby Rip.
I ain't see it.
Alright, I guess I'll give you know.
Oh, there you go.
Nah.
Sorry, but that's an O for Baby Rip Prophecy. Ho!
We gonna get it. Go ahead and get it.
That was not nonsense, so you might as well just do something simpler.
We gonna redo that. Oh. Sorry, but that's an H for Big Rip Prophecy.
Still losing.
It's good. He gonna get it back though. Watch what this man's finna do. He's amazing. I gotta step in on him.
That.
Sorry, but that's a R. He almost got it. Whore!
That's messed up, so you messed up. Let's do that.
Ooh.
And
S. Horse. Hearse. Come on, Baby Rip, man. Come on, Baby Rip, dog. You only got one more letter. Don't mess up, my nigga.
it's over.
I'm gonna match myself.
Nah, you can't do that.
Why not?
Yeah, that's exactly what you just did.
Can't match my style.
That's
You can't
Okay,
match my style.
that doesn't go because we can't match styles. Nobody's style is alike. Go ahead, do a move, dog.
Yeah, you're trying to get something.
Woo! Boom!
No way.
I don't think that was enough.
That lazy ass shit he just did, man. Come on.
Baby Rip, you gonna let him disrespect you? Come here, man. Say something, man, before you start.
Punk ass bitch. This punk ass bitch.
Now go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Y'all want SOC to step up.
Yeah, man, you trying to say match styles. Come on.
Oh, let's see.
Yeah,
Let's
man.
see. Let's see the move, big dog.
Go. Alright, it's me time.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. I think this might be the end.
Can't fucking do that. You can't do that. Wait.
Hell nah.
Alright, fuck that shit. I give up. See me at the battle. I give up on the horse.
Hold on, let me get
He won the game of horse.
Let me get it.
Pussy.
He won the game of horse.
Get some. You can't even do that, nigga. You can't even do that.
Look. Gay ass motherfucker. This gay ass motherfucker. He won a game of horse. She talking shit now.
He can't do that.
I seen him at the battle. I seen him at the battle. I seen him at the battle. Nah.